JDCap26 here, just do tips and peers and hobbies, and we're going to show you how to do on the iPhone copy and paste. And what you want to do is you want to go up to the little flowers up there, which is pictures, and you click on pictures, and you pick a picture, just put your thumb on it, and you get this. Put your thumb on the picture and you get copy. So you hit copy, it's in your thumb or your finger. I'm going to go into email down at the bottom. Okay, there's email. And then when I hit the little square at the right, bring up an email. We're going to place our finger inside below the subject matter until it says paste, like that. Okay? Then when I hit paste, and there's the picture. Okay? Then you just address it to whoever you want to send it to, and a subject, and you're all set. So that's how you do copy and paste, and that's what I want to show you today. I hope you're having a good day, and please rate, subscribe, and give me a notification setting so you get more videos, and give me the thumbs up. Maybe it'll help me out a lot. I wish you a good day and health, and to all my subscribers, thank you for watching.